Emilia Marty is an enigmatic, deeply sensitive, vulnerable human being who covers herself up with lots of different identities. But underneath all of that is this extraordinary experience of having lived for 300 years, having been through so many different eras, relationships.
Nobody is going to understand from the beginning what's going on. They are going to see a very mysterious woman, cold in the beginning. She's very cold, she's very polite, but then they're going to see somebody who is crazy. We have had a good conversation. I offered her my voice and my imagination, also my crazy mind to her, and she accepted, and we like each other.
She has the really exquisite vulnerability of a young girl forced to take this magic potion, which nobody knew if it was going to kill her or not, and in the end it gave her this longevity, and when she's had to fight her way through these centuries on her own. So she's an extraordinary character, and she can change like quicksilver, you know, from being sensitive and rude and being horrible to everybody and cruel, vulgar, being an amazing, enigmatic grande dame. She does everything. So she's almost an amalgamation of all humanity, or all women, you know, every aspect of what people have gone through.
So my character, Albert Gregor, is basically an heir hunter. He wants his insurance. There's been this really old case between Gregor and Prus, and Emilia Marty, because she's actually lived through this case, can give some really important bits of evidence. So I meet her and she feels like a miracle, which in Czech the word is zázrak. So I keep on going on about zázrak. She's so comfortable in her own skin compared to all of us much younger characters who are still chasing either money or status or something which is not going to give them ultimate happiness.
Janáček manages to introduce her as this person without feelings, but at the same time, in those beautiful moments when she reminds herself and the others on her childhood, it's very touching, it's very warm. The colors of who she really is are being discovered from the very first note of the opera until the last one.